Okay, so for the whole month of January, I am going vegetarian. I am going vegetarian because the world is warming and animals are a big reason why that is happening, and all the water it takes to feed them, which they eat, and then we eat them, and all the carbon dioxide. I feel like this is going to be kind of hard. I was originally going to do a week, but I was like, I can do a month. So in this video, I'm going to share my experience and all the recipes.
I usually have cereal in the morning, and to make it a little bit healthier, I had oat milk with it. Well, first of all, the Honey cereal is my favorite ever, and the oat milk, it's actually surprisingly good. Like, I prefer over milk because it doesn't get rotten. Really, it lasts like 2 months. It's crazy. Back in the beginning of January, I woke up so early, so I'd get so hungry so soon, so I'd have like 2 breakfasts. I made this avocado toast on this fancy bread. It's Dave's Killer bread, and I'm pretty sure it's like vegan and stuff and good for you, and it's not actually that bad. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some avocado toast on this.
Avocado toast, what a staple in my diet. I probably had it so many times on like different pieces of bread and everything, so enjoy the first time me making it.
I'm gonna add some lime and everything but the bagel seasoning, but this looks so good.
Pretty good. I haven't filmed in a while. It's January 5th, which is crazy. The vegetarian thing has not been that hard, except for dinners. That's kind of where it's hard. I just made this smoothie bowl. Now I'm just making smoothies like I did every single day in the summer. This one is so good. It tastes like cotton candy. It's made of pineapple, like mixed berries, and bananas. It's super good. Definitely recommend.
So I'm having a PB&J because I haven't had one in so long, but I forgot how good they were. Kind of just reminds me of school field trips. Also, make sure if you have jelly, make sure it doesn't have gelatin in it, because if you don't know, it's made of like ground up cows and horses' feet. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So yeah, don't do that. Hi guys, so it is, okay, I look like an old grandpa right now. Okay, it is officially 1 week of me going vegetarian, January 7th, and so far, I gotta say, it's been pretty easy. There's been a couple instances at dinner time where like, I just don't eat the meat, but that's not that bad at all. Also, those chicken nuggets I made yesterday were so good. Definitely recommend, and I'm gonna go look for some more recipes on Pinterest that maybe I can share with you guys, because some of them are really cool.
Check out my What I Eat in a Day for some pretty cool recipes. Also, I made vegetarian Chick-fil-A.
Now I'm gonna go into Trader Joe's because that's my like favorite grocery store ever. I didn't realize kombucha was fizzy. Ooh, that's kind of good. It's like not too fizzy like the bubbly drinks.
It's good for your belly, I think, too.
Peppa. Here is my brekkie. Yum. Yay. I don't even know if this is like a breakfast meal because it's literally just an egg in a tortilla.
I'm sad to say that on January 21st, I had a piece of meat because it was the only thing for dinner, but I have not had a single one other than that, and I plan to keep it that way. It's kind of been hard having a family who eats a lot of meat.
Okay, so I went to Trader Joe's, which is one of my favorite stores ever because their food is so good and pretty healthy, and I'd say a good price. So I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite things. First things are things I use for lunch. I got these juice boxes because out juice boxes, you can't say you have a good lunch. This only has like 5 ingredients in it. Trader Joe's ingredients lists are good because they're so short. Next are these. Another great thing I just pack for snack and then eat for snack. Okay, next are one of my favorite all-time snacks, the dried strawberries. As you can see, they're only made of strawberries. That's it, but they taste like so good. Like, I would prefer this over some type of candy. I don't know, but very good, and it's actually healthy because you're just eating fruit, but it tastes so much better than just eating a strawberry. Okay, another thing I love are the bean and cheese burritos. Those are good for to pack for lunch. They come in the yellow packaging. My all-time favorite snack, cheese crackers. There's also the peanut butter ones, but the cheese ones are far better. Yeah, I have to stop myself from like eating the whole box at once. They're so good. If you want a place to get some frozen fruit for smoothies, that's also a good place. Okay, it hasn't stopped raining for the past like 30 hours, and I don't think it's supposed to stop raining until like tomorrow. If you've never tried the Trader Joe's, basically the Trader Joe's version of Takis. I just call them the organic Takis. They're so good. They're a lot more limey. Good. Wow, my face is like sweating from eating those. It's not that they're hot, they're just very limey. Oh wait. Okay, my next favorite thing that I'm gonna eat right now to cool myself down is the mango slices. It literally says ingredients, dried mango. That's all there is. That's why I love these. They're also just so good.
Okay, I just ordered things to make sushi, but it's not gonna be here until February 1st. So let me know if you want to see a video of me making sushi.
My lunch, this kind of looks weird. It's just avocado on bean burrito. I don't have any cheese, but this is basically what I've been eating like for most of my lunches. But y'all, I'm gonna eat that up. I don't think I showed this, but one of my favorite snacks is a banana. Let's focus. A banana with some peanut butter. Yeah, it's pretty good. Unless you don't like bananas, then you're out of luck. January 31st, 2021. I feel like there should only be 30 days in January.
January 31st, that sounds gross.
I don't ask. I'm gonna chalk them out because my mom says I should drink something so she can fat me up. This chocolate milk from Trader Joe's is actually so good. Okay, see you in February. Hey Alexa, what day is it? I don't have an Alexa, but I wanted to do that. It is February 1st, so the end of the challenge, and I'm gonna share my thoughts and experiences. Also, I just made sushi and I'm so excited to eat it. I don't know if it's gonna taste good, but first of all, there's like this vegetarian calculator you can like look at. It's called vegetariancalculator.com. See the stats of me going vegetarian for 1 whole month. How many months are you vegetarian? Okay, so in 1 month of going vegetarian, I have not eaten 17 animals. I have saved 134 pounds of CO2. Don't really exactly know that. And I have not eaten 16 pounds of meat. Wow, that's crazy. 16 pounds is like the weight of my cat. Actually, no. How much do cats weigh? From what I've learned is, honestly, it hasn't been that hard except for dinner. For dinner, it's been kind of hard because my family eats a lot of meat. I didn't really even tell them I was doing this challenge. What I take away from this challenge, I'm definitely not going to be continuing going vegetarian, but I'm going to try my best to. What I mean is like we raise our own cows because if you don't know, I live on a farm. I know the cows are living a good life, and so I feel comfortable eating those, but I'm going to try and stay away from like the meat you buy at stores. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more challenges from me, let me know. Or even going vegan, that'd be like really hard. I think I have sushi rice on my face. And I'll see you guys next time. Toodles!